Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. How are you? Yeah, recently there is a flu, so yeah, you can see that my voice is kind of different a bit, but I hope that it's still okay for you to listen to me well and follow any scalping signal that is available in today's live trading. Recently that in my VAB signal group that I just had a buy scalping signal at the entry zone 39.40, yeah, and it's already run around 30 pips profit already. And let's wait. Okay, let's wait for another setup. And if the price is coming back to the previous entry zone, I will check and let you re-enter for this round once again. Yeah, sounding a little sick. Yeah, my sore throat. I was a heavy sore throat. Yeah, just recover slightly recently so that I can able to talk with you today live trading. It's not pretty good, but I believe that I will recover soon. Thank you, Sama. Thank you very much. Okay, and on Monday, especially on the early Asian session, that the market today, in the beginning, the market just opened with a very small gap down, but immediately you can see here, it's recovered quickly, and yeah, already gained a new all-time high at the level $39.45. And this is also the resistance that I draw for you if you follow me on my Telegram channel, and you will receive my weekly trading plan. Okay, and the new peak is that exactly what I predict. Yeah, $39.45. The current new all-time high at the moment. And now in the 5-minute time frame, you will see that there is a trend line. Yeah, that's just following to this trend line. And the previous setup I was set based on the confluence between the EMA 34 and trend line. So that is why we have entry 39.40 to 39.39. But anyway, that the current entry zone is already active. Okay, so we will wait for further action. If it's coming back to active the entry zone once again, we should lower our trading volume and re-enter once again for this, because I believe that the bullish momentum is very strong. It's still very strong at the moment. Yeah, you see that most of the candles are still lying above EMA 34. Okay, and this is indicate for the current strong uptrend, and the retracement from the peak area to the current price is just a short-term retracement of the market, and it's easy to understand, right? Nothing go up forever. Market needs resting before heading to the current direction. Okay, so it's heading back down. Yeah, we'll wait for around 40. Yeah, 40 price. Small lot, okay, small lot, because this signal was already active in my VAB signal group, and this is the second round for us to re-enter. So that's why I advise you to lower your trading volume, and yes, and this is it. Okay, you can control for your position now. All right, good luck to everyone. So far that we're still under a very strong bullish momentum, and that is why I set up another round. Yeah, the second round for the current entry zone from 40 to 39. Okay, remember to lower your trading volume, okay? Because, yeah, like I just shared with you, this signal was already active in my VAB signal group. And when I start the live stream, so we late a bit for the first round, and when the price coming back to get all of us on board again, I recommend you lower your trading volume. Yeah, just to trade safely. Okay. So anyone in? This signal was already active. Oh, buy. Yeah, this is the buy signal. Yeah, buy signal. Sorry. When I just speak to you that I typed the signal on the chart and forgot to set up. But if you follow my voice, my order, you can realize that this is the buy signal. Because based on the current analysis that I draw on the chart, we have trend line in 5-minute time frame, confluence with EMA 34. Okay, and the current trend is buy, is the bullish. Okay, it's uptrend. So 3 conditions confluence together. So I set up the current signal on the chart. Okay, remember to set the stop loss level for this one. Every single layer you are in, remember to set the stop loss level. Okay, we have 40 and 39 entry zone. So let me check these candles is under any trend line or not. Oh, so strong. Okay, very strong momentum, and this already hit our stop loss level. Okay, hit stop loss. It's very quick dropping down and then forming a very long shadow. Okay, so that's the game. Stop loss is the part of the game. Are you already close? Yeah, in a 1-minute time frame, you can see that it's forming a very long shadow. Okay, we shouldn't burden to the current signal. Okay, just close it. Don't try to hold it. Yeah, don't remain hopeless. Don't remain any hopeless. No worries that we will find another entry zone down below. $31. Okay, so the first one is not unlucky. It's unlucky, right? And okay, I will find for you another opportunities to recover. Okay. Ooh.
To who?
It's just forming a market liquidity sweep and then heading back. So this is the signal that it's time for the sharks getting hunting. Even though that on Forex calendar today we do not have any news and the US government data, US government is still shut down, and this is still keep the afraid of all investors for the US economy, and this is still the signal that push the gold price heading up. Okay, so it's just about time that we're about to overlap from the New York and from the London to the New York session, and this is the signal that we should pay attention to today New York session. Okay, this is the awareness, a warning for all of us. Not clear your display. You can change the quality on your setting on your device. Yeah, change into 1080 HD. This will help you to observe the chart clearer. Yeah, adjust the quality on your device, on your YouTube device. Yeah, the first one we do not have lucky, so we will have another chance. Okay, so that's why I recommend you to enter small lots. Yeah, it's contain risk. Any signal that always contain risk. Okay, and that's why we should set the limit. We should set the stop loss level and lower our trading volume. Yeah, for the second round. I hope that you will understand for this lesson and remember for a long time. Okay, for the next candle that the market open and gap up, you see in a 1 minute time frame. Now this is the place that big players hunt for liquidity, right? Hunting for liquidity. So we fell to the first trap. It's been a long time. Yeah, it's been a long time that we haven't had any stop loss order on YouTube live trading, right? So anyway, that's keep calm. Yeah, trading is probability. I cannot make sure 100% winning rate for all of you whenever you enter any trade. So how is your feeling for the first signal? Are you still okay? Yeah, I'm keeping talking too much about risk management. You see that within 1 minute it's dropping up to 60 pips. So everything can be happened, right? 1 minute candle is made 200 pips is normal. It's normal thing. Because we are trading in a gold market, have high volatility. Okay, we will wait for a lower entry zone. 31 to 29. Yeah, the lower support zone. Hi Mino. May I know which is your entry zone that you type 20 pips profit? Yeah, thank you so much for your understanding, NetJam. Yeah, as trader, we must clear for this mindset, okay? Luckily that I advise you to lower your trading volume. Yeah. My normal trading volume is around 0.5 to 1 lot for each layer. But when I feel that is risky and I want to bet, with the market, I will lower it. Sometimes that 0.25 or 0.5. So it's back to our previous entry zone. So you see that it just hit our stop loss order, and then it's come back to the entry zone. So anyone wants to escape from this death because of you do not set the limit order, you do not set the stop loss order? If yes, if you still survive, it's just your luck, okay? So next time it won't be happen again. So be disciplined to every action that you decide to trade. Currently that all the candles is under 3 EMAs on 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's just a short-term retracement of the market price at the moment. So let's see that the next candle can break out from all 3 EMAs ribbon or not. You see that it just break down from the below trend, and now it's heading back. So annoyed that you can see that when you forgot to set the stop loss, and it saved you. It's just a trap. Yeah, it's just a psychology trap from the market, from let you get used to it, and until the day you do not want to set the stop loss anymore. That's just the day the sharks will kill you. Okay, and we're officially become a shark bait. Yeah, we will wait for the entry zone 39.21 or 31. Yeah, it is. Market has been annoying. Actually, that these actions already took place in the past. Yeah, and previous time is also forming the high volatility to the market, the whole market, not only crypto but only stocks, but also for stocks, cryptos, gold, or forex market. Okay, every market will be severe affected by this decision, but it's usually that stable. It will become stable when the market, when the government opens again, and I believe that is gonna be quickly, because that today, this week, we'll still have FOMC meeting minutes, and other Friday we will have non-farm employment change. Okay, so this is when Friday and Thursday. Yeah, Friday and Thursday. And yeah, the US government will be open soon to public this news for us. it just sweep our stop loss and then heading back to our entry zone like nothing happened. But like I just said, yeah, be disciplined to your trading, okay? Don't let the market lure you. Anyway, with the advised lower trading volume, that I hope that we already reduce our loss. Yeah, and usually when I lower my trading volume, I used to decrease 50%, yeah, of total 50 to 70, so that we can also reduce loss around 50 to 70%. Yeah, market has been very crazy, so that's why we need to set the stop loss order for every layers we are in. No, don't stress at all. Just my voice is not good recently because of the flu. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. And if you guys if you support my channel, I'm looking forward to receive your subscribe and like. Yeah, thank you very much for your support. Hi SB, thank you so much for sharing your opinion on my stream today. But trading in 1 hour time frame is very dangerous for everyone new. Okay, it's normal that we should observe a big time frame first. Okay, big time frame first, and then we identify the current trend of the market. And after that, we are looking for the detail, yeah, entry zone. There are also two pending order that we are looking forward according to my gold trading plan. Yeah, the sell zone is around 39.60. $39.64 to $39.66. Alright, it just yeah, the shark was hunting for 2 minutes, and then now in the smaller time frame is continued to moving sideways after the hunt. Alright, so you can see that when it touched to 39.32, this is where EMA 89 located. Yeah, and it's acting like a dynamic support. So the buyers come strongly after that. Yeah, open a gap up, and forming the below area is lack of liquidity zone. Yeah, this candle, this area, lack of liquidity. Let me change the color into the lighter. Yeah, it touched the upper trend line, and we can see that it's continue forming a bearish candle. We also need to wait because now it's already moving sideways in a narrow range. Okay, so we will pay attention to the upcoming level like the previous peak zone 59, 49, 49 to 50. But this peak area is easily break out strongly because as I observed the chart recently, we need to see the momentum of the candle at that time. Okay, if it's forming with a strong bullish candle, we should wait. Yeah, we should wait. Okay, not any peak can become a strong resistance, not all the time, and especially that when gold is still under a lot of support by the buyers, that's the previous peak is gonna be break out easily. Yeah, and if you want to trade, you can just expect for short profit like 30 pips or 20 pips, just to make sure that you are trading safely. So this is just my point of view, and if you have the same opinion to me, we can follow this way. And if not, thank you so much for your listening, and feel free to do as long as that is your decision. And my point of view is currently I will wait for the market heading down and hit our below level like 39.31 to 39.29 level. Below here there's a liquidity gap, and I believe that if this candle, the current candles, is another bearish one, it can easily fill the below gap. Hi Freddy. Rule by using EMA. Okay, so let me show you how to set up, and I will explain a bit for you about EMA method that I'm using. Okay, the first you need to click to indicators and looking for this multiple EMA by Eric. Okay, there will be hundreds of EMA indicators, and you need to choose the correct one like me. Okay, so that I can instruct you and you can follow me easily. And after that, you click to the setting button, and then for the input, enter this value. Okay, enter these values: 34.89, 200. 34.89 is the numbers that in a Fibonacci level, and 200 is the longest value for EMA that I use it to set up the scalping signal. Okay, and 34 is the average value of the previous 34 candles. Okay, and and so on for 289. After that, you will see 3 ribbons appears on the chart, and I usually use EMA for 3 purposes. Yeah, three purpose. The first thing, I will identify the trend. If all the candles lying above EMA, at least one, at least two, this indicates that the market is under the current uptrend. Okay, and if it's lying on the candle is lying on the EMA, that means the market is moving sideways. Yeah, market is moving sideways. And when, lastly, if all the candles is lying below EMA, all EMAs, yeah, this is indicates that the market is under downtrend. Yeah, so that is the first usage of EMA to identify the market trend. Okay, and the second uses that to identify the signal that is the market reverse. And I will show you the signal is when you can see that the EMA ribbons forming a crossover, and when the market confirm with a very strong bullish or bearish candle, okay, and it's lying on a crossover point of 3 EMA ribbons, or at least 2. Okay, so after that we can enter, and that will be our reliable entry zone. Okay, so we need to wait for the crossover point and the very strong body, yeah, like the big bearish or bullish candle, yeah, and the body of that candle must lying below or above. If that is the bearish candle, the body, the closing price must be above or below the crossover of the EMA's crossover, and opposite to bullish. Okay, opposite to bullish candle. And that is the 2 common uses for us to identify, to use the EMAs to identify the market trend and entry zone. And the last one, we need to combine a bit with Bollinger Band, yeah, to identify is the border. Yeah, the border. You see that it cannot go far away forever from EMA. Yeah, the candles cannot go far away forever from the EMA. It's always need to retrace. Okay, it's always need to retrace and then continue its trend. Okay, and if you know to combine with Bollinger Band, it will help you what is the border. It's where that price, that the candles, that the market will reverse. Okay, as you see this point, the peak is touching to the upper band. Okay, and as you see that the upcoming candles is the bearish one. Okay, so my friends is trading with Bollinger Band, but you can increase the accuracy by using Bollinger Band. I advise you to use it confluence with resistance and EMA. Okay, do not use it alone. Do not use Bollinger Band to set up the scalping signal alone. Okay, so I hope you understand. Is this okay for you for my explanation? Hi Fred, yes, you still here? Yeah, I hope that everything is good for you. In what time frame? If you want to identify the scalping signal, usually that you can do it in a 5 or 15-minute time frame. Okay, for scalping signal. Okay. So our limit order for today is buy entry zone at 39.31. Will be keep it, yeah, until the end of New York session. Okay, until the end of New York session. Yeah, thank you so much, Freddie. Thank you. Yeah, today's my voice is not good, but I hope you will understand. And I always try my best to explain in the simplest way for you and for all of us to understand. It's heading back, and let's see that how is it gonna be react with this Bollinger Band border. It's heading very strong. Download. Okay, in today's stream, I will once again back to the previous entry. $40 to $42. Okay, bye. 49, 39, 42, 39, 42. Okay, so the second order is the far away from our price level in today's live stream. So I will enter for you another entry zone for today's live stream. Okay, yeah, it's like a Compensation for everyone. 42 to 40. Okay, it's about to our entry zone. Okay, I will turn off Bollinger Band to make our chart look more simple. I don't like showing too much indicators on my trading chart. Yeah. Symbols is always the best. Come on, I need a victory in today's stream for everyone. Are you ready? Let me know. Yeah, this game set on the chart and waiting for you. Let's enter the game. Are you still here with me? Let me know. Let me know if you're still on the stream. Okay, so don't be FOMO this time. Yeah, just let it go and be disciplined to our analysis, okay? Yeah, this is where the price will retest. Yeah, it just break out from the upper trend and we need it to retest. Yeah, for the safe position, safe entry zone. Okay, waiting to touch entry point. And Freddy, if you are new to this market, you should practice with your demo account first. And after you have you acquainted with the speed of the market price, okay, and then you have enough confidence, you can start with your small account first. Okay, practice, and then we trade with our small account. Okay, and for this market, it's not for anyone who be greedy and hurry. Okay, so be disciplined and follow the rule, 1 to 2% rule. So that is my advice for you. Yeah. Thank you so much for your listening, and I'm very appreciated if you can follow it and earn a stable money from the market. Yeah. Okay, it's far away from our from our level. Okay, so how to say, heading back. Yeah, still had chance for us to get on board. Okay. you see that in the days that we have the geopolitical tensions, U.S. government shutdown, so everything will go crazy, and you see that normally this time the market just moving sideways in a narrow range, just around 20 pips to 30 pips, yeah, 2 to 3 price. But now you see that even when in a 1 minute hour, 1 minute time frame, yeah, the price range can be up to 60 pips. So I guess that in today in today New York session, the market will be severe. Okay, and hang on tight. And if you are not familiar to trade in the New York session, you can continue to trade to practice it on your demo account. Okay, and if you want to trading with your real account, use the micro lot, yeah, the smallest trading volume. Okay, to get used to the speed, and get ready for your emotion, for your psychology, for everything. Okay, do step by step first. Yeah, you can see this is moving like a roller coaster. Yeah, it's up strongly and it's down severely. So this is in one minute time frame. You see that in 1 minute time frame, the candles with very big body. So stay alert of today New York session and this week also. Okay, as the trader, the first thing we need to learn is protect our money first. Yeah, okay, that's his priority mission we need to follow. Let's see if that is going to be active, our third signal today or not. Okay, so if the third signal missed, so yeah, I will prepare for the next New York sessions is coming to us. Okay, don't FOMO. For me, it's still FOMO. If you miss, that's okay. There's still hundreds of opportunities in the future. No need to FOMO, and that will affect to our account and our trading psychology as well. Okay, so we're about to have 42.5. You can enter small lots first. Yeah, now for that entry zone. $42.5. Are you in? Remember to set a stop loss for every order you are in. Okay, we have the first entry zone, and if you want to trade safely, just separate your trading volume to every entry zone you are in, and don't enter a lot layers. It will difficult for you to manage. Yeah, the target will be, because we are scalpers, so my formula is around 40 pips, 50 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips, 80 pips. Open. This is gonna be our formula for take profit. Okay. $10 pips is running. Yeah, our first profit in 10 pips. But never mind, it's not significant to close the trade. At least that it should be 20. Yeah, at least it's 20. Okay, 15 pips is running for our current profit, everyone. That's it. Yes. Our mood is coming back. Okay. 20 pips is coming. Keep holding, keep holding. Okay, so hold your breath and waiting for the next movement. I believe that this entry zone will bring us good profit in today's stream. Yeah, anyway, that in the big time frame, that's the market, it just was still moving sideways and it's waiting for the explosion, maybe the new all-time high. Yeah, in today's New York session. Until the geopolitical tensions is eased and the U.S. government is open again, that the investor will take profit from gold significantly. So far that I cannot see the strong downtrend that's gonna be in the future. I still did not see that, but yeah, you see that all candles is lying above 3 EMA's ribbon at the moment, right? So yeah, there's still a lot of supported by the buyers at the moment for gold. In a 1 hour chart, that this candle is forming nearly a dragonfly doji. I will come back to 1 minute. For 1 minute candle, we just observe the chart and do not. My advice for you, especially for the beginners, we shouldn't. Okay, we shouldn't do any technical analysis based on 1 minute time frame. It's not enough stable and safe for us to set up any entry zone. It's only for professional traders, okay? And for me, it just opened 1 minute chart for you, 1 minute time frame for you to observe the speed of the candles moving quickly. Yeah. Alright, and it's about time that my time is up and I need to focus back on my VIP signal group now. And I will continue to update the result of the current signal on my channel on Telegram. And if you don't want to miss any new update for the market, yeah, welcome to my channel on Telegram. You copy the link that I put in the bio on YouTube and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, okay? And then you click to that link, so it will direct you to my channel on Telegram. Alright, and thank you so much for joining my stream today. I hope that we will have a better luck in the upcoming stream. Yeah, anyway, that I also have the signal group that focus on gold or currency pairs. That's your choice. Yeah, that's your choice, your favorite, your trading favorite. And if you want to join my VIP signal group, send me direct message and I will instruct you how to join it. Less than $50 will bring you a lot of profit in your trading journey, especially gold. Thank you so much for you participations. See you next time. Goodbye.